it arrived. It is super shiny. All sparkly on the gem in the middle. And I have not opened it, so how do I do this? Right. Ooh, goodies. A card, fine. Oh. Another card. Cool. Decent manual by the looks of things. Can't remember the last time I bought a game that came with a manual. Okay, what have we got here? We have a sticker from the publisher. Oh! An actually metal sword. There's the cartridge for the game. And what's this? Some sort of plastic gem? There's some sort of plastic gem in here too. Don't know, does this whole thing come up? I don't wanna break the box. I will investigate. Oh wait, hold on. That side's kind of stuck in, but there you go. I get some sort of plastic gem. And the Commodore 64 cartridge itself. Oh. Which is cool. Oh, and there's more decoration on the inside. That is a really nice box.